Welcome to SSBeauty. In this episode, we're going right back to the basics, building your grooming routine. A solid routine keeps you fresh, confident, and ready to tackle anything AM to PM, be it a Monday meeting, hanging out with friends, or a date. Step 1. Start fresh with a deep cleanse. A good face wash will remove dirt, oil, and impurities, giving your skin a clean slate without stripping it dry. Step 2. Serum. Think of it like a turbo shot for your skin, kind of like coffee for your face, minus the jitters. Just a few drops and it targets all those little skin complaints you don't want to admit to. Vitamin C is like the superhero of serums. It brightens your skin and evens out your skin tone. Take a few drops on your palms and gently press it onto your freshly cleansed face. Step 3. Face cream. Apply a face cream for your skin type. Face creams lock in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. Regular use can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, promoting youthful-looking skin. Step 4. Sunscreen. Think of sunscreen as your skin's invisible bodyguard. Keep it on duty to block out harmful UV rays. Use the 3-finger rule. Apply enough to cover your face with a generous amount, and don't forget to reapply every 3 hours, even if you're indoors or during winter. Step 5. Lip balm. Finish off your routine by applying a moisturizing lip balm. A good lip balm keeps them smooth and kissable, and let's be honest, no one wants to be caught with chapped and dry lips. And that's it. Your grooming routine is now complete. Fresh, confident, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you.